Hey friends, it's Allison Hopper, the youth garden instructor at the Dixon Gallery and Gardens, and today we're going to talk about flowers that bloom in water. While most plants grow on land, many others can grow in the water. Some of these plants produce colorful flowers, while others simply produce foliage. So now we're going to talk about a few different flowers that bloom in water. And so the first one we're going to talk about is the lotus flower. So the lotus flower blooms in rivers and damp wetlands, but may lie dormant for years during times of drought, only to rise again with the return of water. Lotus plants can become quite large, with leaves and flowers that grow on the surface of the water and can be 2 to 6 feet wide. The flowers are fragrant and large, with layers of petals. They come in colors such as white and pink. Lotus plants are hardy and can survive the winter dormant in a pond. And so we actually grow lotuses at the Dixon. And the next one we're going to talk about are cattails. Cattails grow wild along the shallow waters of many ponds, lakes, and rivers. They provide food and shelter for small birds and insects. This plant derives its name from the fuzzy brown, foot-long cylindrical heads on the ends of its stems, which can grow up to 9 feet tall. Now that is tall. The next flower we're going to talk about is water lilies. Water lilies come in a variety of flowers, depending on which variety you choose. Some are pale shades of cream, yellow, and peach, while others are vibrant orange, pink, or blue. Water lilies bloom in the morning and close their blooms in the late afternoon. Some varieties bloom at night and close in the morning. These plants can spread from 3 to 12 feet wide. The last one we're going to talk about is the Amazon lily. The Amazon lily is a very large flower that can be planted in a large pond or water feature. This plant produces fragrant, 4-inch tall white flowers that fade to pink. Also, its leaves can grow 6 feet across. Now that you've learned a little bit about flowers that bloom in water, now we're going to do our own little art/science experiment, and we're going to bloom our own flowers in water. Now that's going to be fun. Now let's go. friends, I hope you enjoyed that art/science experiment. So now you go and you try it and see what happens. Maybe you can have multiple flowers blooming at the same time. Now that would be awesome. Bye! See you next time!